Hey everyone, so my beetle herd is a herd of one right now. This is my one remaining male. So I decided to get him some friends. These guys came in yesterday and I put them in this holding container just to make sure everybody was okay after shipping. Oddly enough, I'm pretty sure I have 5 females here. What are the chances of that? So my one guy is going to be pretty busy. But I'm just going to put these guys in and hopefully I'll get some more breeding action this season. I actually dug up 2 really huge larvae the other day. Accidentally, I was trying to bury some more wooden carrots in here and I didn't even know they were still alive. They're the ones from last fall that I thought had died. I have those set up in my gecko rack in a tiny container of moist substrate, and we're going to see if I can get them to turn into pupa. But if not, there's always next year. So give me a second here and get my guy some friends. Alrighty, the ladies are in. They were pretty dark the other day. I think they probably got misted before they came, but they'll lighten up when they dry out. Alright, buddy, go get 'em.